Hello guys, today I will be unboxing Iron Man Funko Pop. Oh yeah, looks really good. You even got the back. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get the opening. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. Alright. So this is the Iron Man Funko Pop. Not bad. Anything else in here? Oh, that's it. Alright then. So that's pretty much it. Looks really cool though. See on the back too. Oh yeah. You can shake his head. Boop. Alright. So I have two now. That's just so great. Yes. I got Captain America and Iron Man. So cool. Alright guys. I'm about to end the video now. Goodbye partners. Yeehaw.